We got them Labor Day oxtails today. You know what I'm saying? I heard somebody say, man, that's a clean grill. You know what I'm saying? That's rule number one. You gotta start with a clean grill. It's a must. It's an LES BBQ pit. You know what I'm saying? Having a clean pit is what separates good barbecue from great.